Hey, it's Yoshi Shiraki, and I've got another haircut that I want to share with you guys. Basically, this is a graduated layer disconnected haircut. Now, not every haircut I'm going to share with you has that perfect model hair that lays perfectly no matter what you do to it. I want to share some stuff that happens in the salon, some real world stuff. You know those clients that come in that have that hair texture that has a mind of its own? Well, this is one of those individuals, which is exactly why I want to share this haircut with you. We went in there, we did some layers, we did some graduation, we did some scissor overcomb to finish it off, and we did some disconnection underneath that top section so that it will lay a little bit flatter, and you'll know exactly what I mean when you watch this haircut. Alright, I want to share this with you. I hope you enjoy it. It's a short haircut, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Hey, it's Yoshi Shiraki, and I'm going to cut today a graduated layer disconnected haircut. It's a short haircut. You're going to see my model has a ton of hair, and so what we're going to do is we're going to layer the underneath, disconnect the underneath so that the top hair comes over and lays a little bit flatter. Okay, so you can see it's starting to flatten out right here. It's not as puffy, building in that nice clean shape. And now we're all the way here at the back middle. Okay, I'm going to over direct this over here. So as you can see, I'm definitely over directing past the previous section because I want to maintain this length. Okay, so we go from really short layers gradually to the point where there are much longer layers. Okay, so now we're going to work on the outline around the ear. So what I'm going to do in this particular case is I'm going to start off by pulling the ear back, out and away, and then I'm just going to go ahead and cut around the ear. We want a nice clean outline in this particular case. With scissor overcomb, it's a very visual technique. So you just have to, it's like sculpting. You're just taking tiny pieces off until you are pleased with the length and with the look that you established. It's not necessarily something you'll just go in one shot and one shot and one shot and be done. You'll keep refining until you've got the exact look that you're looking for.
Okay, so we've got the hair all blow dried now. What we want to do is we want to establish this outline. If you recall, we had sectioned that off up and away in the beginning. And so now what we want to do is establish where we want this outline. As a quick recap, basically what we did, we sectioned off this top area and disconnected the underneath. So we layered in through here nice and flat, short, because when this hair comes down, we want it to lay a little bit flatter. We didn't want it to be too big and too puffy. Okay, then we went around basically layering through the rest of the hair through back here, sat that layer in so that we could build this body up here. Also went in and texturized in through there. Did some graduation down here. Scissor overcombed, basically one of my favorite strategies, techniques, taking the hair pretty much from nothing and graduating and working its way up to the top of these layers. So very smooth, very clean, nice faded hairline, no strong lines. I didn't want to cut a blunt line into this. I wanted it to fade ever so slightly into the graduation, right up into where the layers are. Create this shape of graduated layers in through the back. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this haircut. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next cut.